I received my next subscription package today, so I wanted to do a little review on my first package from Nadine West. Got the pretty pink bag today. And so the cool thing about Nadine West is that the subscription fee is really low. It's $9.78 a month, or $9.78 a shipment. I want to say you can receive shipments as frequently as every 2 weeks if you would like, or once a month, or once every few months. So you get to choose how frequently you would like to receive the packages, and then of course they charge you the fee of $9.78, and then anything you decide to keep out of your package, that $9.78 gets credited towards. If you decide not to keep anything, then you lose the $9.78. So just something to keep in mind. If you want additional details, or if you want to sign up using my referral link, it'll be below in the underneath the description box. And let's get started. Let's see what we got. I'm always excited to get stuff in the mail. I don't know why I like to get. Okay, so in the package they have a return shipping label, of course. And so here's my little bundle. Oh, sorry, I got it upside down. So you can see it says Nadine West there. And let's open it up, see what we got. Oh, by the way, you use the same bag that they sent you to return any items you decide that you're not going to keep. So just food for thought. Oh, okay. So in this bundle, I have, I guess, a pair of, I guess these are leggings. Yep. So a pair of leggings. I'll put a better picture up so you guys can see it later. Looks like a shirt. Yep, so a sleeveless shirt that matches with the leggings. And then I received 2 pieces of jewelry. So one, don't know if you can see this, but I'll put it on. Appears to be some type of necklace. And then the other is a set of hoop earrings. Cute. All right. So I believe the concept behind Nadine West is, at least when you're first starting off, they send you like one complete outfit. And I believe as you continue your subscription with them, the more you buy from them, you can eventually earn your way to like a VIP status. And then once you're at a VIP level, they send you more articles of clothing in your packaging. So you may have 2 to 3 bundles of outfits in your subscription package. So just something else to keep in mind. But I'm gonna go ahead and try this on, and let's see what we got. So by now you guys have seen me try on the outfit that was sent to me by Nadine West. So overall, first impression, I like the shirt. The shirt is really comfortable. The material is super soft. Definitely could see myself wearing this with a nice pair of jeans or dress slacks. I like the earrings. They're cute and they're different, and I like the necklace too. And typically I'm not really into costume jewelry, but this piece is a little different. I think you can probably wear it with just about anything as far as dressing it up or down, so I may keep this. Downside, I don't like leggings. I don't like things that are tight on my skin. It just makes me feel uncomfortable. But if I'm being honest, the pants or the leggings themselves are really, really soft. So if you are a person that likes leggings, you probably would really enjoy these pants. I think from a scheme perspective, they chose, you know, the colors well. The shirt complements the leggings. The leggings just aren't my style. So overall, first impression, I think I'm about, you know, 50-50. I would be interested in trying their subscription services again, just to see what other different options they may send me after I go online and update my profile and give them feedback on this package that I received. The only other down side I can say is that I did specifically say in my profile that I wasn't interested in any jewelry pieces at this time, and I had specifically asked for them to send as many clothing items as possible. So I really was anticipating, in place of jewelry, actually receiving like 1 or 2 additional shirts or something like that. So I'm kind of disappointed in that, but other than that, I will give them my feedback on this package and hope that, you know, they get it right the next time. But on the upside, you know, these earrings are cute, they're different, so I do like that. And, you know, had they not sent that, I wouldn't, you know, would not have gotten a chance to see that for myself. But yeah, that's about it. So this is my Nadine West unboxing and try on, and hope you guys enjoyed it. You know, like, rate, subscribe. If you'd like to see more, tell me what you think. You know, maybe I'm being too sensitive, and maybe the outfit looks really great on me and I just, you know, have a difference of opinion. Or, you know, let me know, girl, you do not need to wear them leggings, which I probably don't. I probably wouldn't wear them anyway, but I'm just curious to know you guys' feedback, so let me know what you think. If you have other subscription boxes that you're interested in, or you're interested in trying, you know, comment down in the comments below and let me know, you know, what other subscription boxes you've been curious about but haven't taken the plunge yet. Don't forget, if you are interested in Nadine West, my referral link will be down below, and go ahead and click on that and sign up and get yourself a credit, and it'll get me one too, and we can both be crediting together. But anywho, thanks so much for tuning in with me. I appreciate you guys and your time, and hope you have a good week. Peace. And another thing to note is that underneath the return shipping label, which I've already taken off to apply it to the package, which is why you don't see it here, at the bottom of that is the pricing list. So just as a side note, they do have something on here that says share us on Instagram and we'll sneak in an awesome discount on your next package. So that's a cool feature. So I probably will be doing that, and I'll tag them in it. But so the cost of the top is $24.49. I think that's fairly reasonable. Not a bad price at all. Like I said, the shirt is super comfortable. Very soft material. I don't know, I just really like the material in the shirt. It has a little elasticity to it, so it's just comfortable. So definitely my style. The leggings were $22.19. The earrings, oh sorry, I took them off already. The earrings were $9.99. So if you were going to order nothing but the earrings, you would you know, only owe an additional 20 cents because you paid $9.78 for them to ship it to you for the styling fee or whatnot. So and then the necklace was $17.99. So all in all, I like the top. I think I may keep the earrings and the necklace. I'm not sure. At least the earrings and the shirt is what I'm thinking. So all in all, you're talking like 35 bucks minus the $9.78 for the shipping and handling. So, you know, another 25 bucks, and I get to keep the shirt and the earrings. So still haven't made up my mind 100% on the earrings yet, because I have plenty of jewelry. It's not like I need them. I just like them because they're different. So yeah, I guess with that being said, you know, I'm feeling okay. I am interested to see, you know, what other things they send in my next package. I have signed up for a 2-week subscription, so I'm going to log in and give my feedback on this package, and then I look forward to seeing what my stylist does in the next box. So I'll keep you guys posted, and I'll post the next one when it is delivered, and let me know what you think.